Thank you, Senator Casey, and thanks for sparing us all from high school adventures that you might have shared, good and bad. We appreciate your being here. We are going to proceed in a little unique fashion for a moment here. Senator Schumer is on the floor finishing a few duties and will join us to officially introduce nominee Judge Meredith Vaca. In the meantime, I'm going to introduce Judge Embry Kidd, who will be on the first panel as a Circuit Court nominee. He's nominated to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit. Judge Kidd was born in Birmingham, Alabama, received his BA with high honors from Emory University, went on to earn a JD from Yale Law School. After law school, Judge Kidd served as a law clerk to Judge Roger L. Gregory on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 4th Circuit. He then began working as an associate attorney at Williams & Connolly, where he litigated a variety of complex federal and state civil cases. In 2014, Judge Kidd joined the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Middle District of Florida. There, he prosecuted cases involving public corruption, wire and mail fraud, financial crimes, violent crimes, crimes against children, and narcotics importation and distribution. He also worked closely with the office's appellate division. In 2019, he was selected by the judges of the U.S. District Court for the Middle District of Florida to serve as U.S. Magistrate Judge. Since joining the bench, Judge Kidd has issued more than 13,000 written decisions. I congratulate Judge Kidd and his family on this nomination and look forward to hearing his testimony. And before I call him up for the first panel, I will read into the record the introduction for Judge Vaca, which may be repeated in part or in whole when Senator Schumer arrives. But I want to make sure it's on the record in its complete form. Judge Meredith Vaca, nominated to the U.S. District Court for the Western District of New York, born in Busan, South Korea, where she received her BA from Colgate University, then went on to earn her JD from the University at Buffalo School of Law. After law school, Judge Vaca worked in private practice at Hamburger Weiss, an associate attorney, where she focused primarily on workers' compensation and insurance defense cases. In 2007, she joined the Monroe County District Attorney's Office. There she prosecuted thousands of cases, ranging from misdemeanors and domestic violence matters to child abuse and homicide. In her 13-year tenure, she tried 60 cases to verdict and routinely appeared in suppression hearings and grand jury presentations. In 2020, Judge Vaca was elected to serve as a judge in Monroe County Court. Since joining the bench, she has presided over 21 felony trials that have gone to verdict. Judge Vaca has the support of Leader Schumer and Senator Gillibrand. I congratulate her on her nomination and look forward to hearing her testimony today. Now I ask for a brief pause/recess while we determine the status of Senator Schumer's arrival. Rest at ease.